Welcome to my all viewers. In this quarantine situation, hope you people are staying at your home, staying safe. So this is the summer season. So in this season, a famous food we can get, that is mango. So today I think why not we use mango and make a sweet dish. So today we are going to make a sweet preparation by using mango, that is mango kalakand. So let's see quickly what are the ingredients we need to making mango kalakand. Here I have 500 liter milk, also hung cut from 500 liter milk, a whole mango pulp which I roughly chopped because I want when I have my kalakand, so I just fill those mango chunks in my mouth. There is milk powder, a cup of sugar, few nut powders for garnish the dessert. Friends, first I boiling this 500 liter milk. So friends, now you can see the milk is boiling. So now I slow the flame. My viewers are using the gas oven, so please simmering their oven in this time. So friends, very carefully listen that you have to stir this milk continuously. You have to reduce this milk, and when it will reduce, then we are going to add the mango to it. So friends, now we are going to add the hung cut to this milk. We have to mix it properly. So friends, you can see that's how we have to reduce this milk slowly. After adding the curd, we are slowly stirring the milk and it is reducing. In this stage, we are going to add a packet of milk powder. We have to stir it. There should be no lumps while we mixing this milk powder in this milk. We have to be very careful while mixing it. It will provide a thick body to our kalakand and a rich flavor. So friends, now we are going to add the mango pulp which I roughly chopped. Mix it nicely. So friends, now we are going to add sugar into our mixture. So while adding sugar, you have to be very careful because the quantity of sugar totally depends on the sweetness of milk powder and the sweetness of the mango. Otherwise, it will be more sweeter and we will not like to have this more sweetened kalakand. So first you taste this batter, then you add the quantity of sugar. So now we are going to add a cup of sugar. I have to mix it properly. So friend, this is the perfect consistency of the mango kalakand. So now I am going to off the flame. I already greased my mold with ghee. So now I am going to put this batter to this mold. Gently I am going to spread it. So see friend, we gently spread our batter in the greased pan. Now we are going to add few nuts powder. We have pistachio and almond. So friends, now we are going to refrigerate this batter for 1 hour because we need to set this batter, and after 1 hour again we will show how we cut our kalakand and how we will garnish it. So after 1 hour we can see how our kalakand is made. So friends, what I suggest you that if you can keep this batter more than 1 hour, then it will be better